Sa iyo alam ko kung di na ako makakuha ng ubang lyrics, pero ako ba naapak? Ha? Yan. Siguro kung alam niyo, sabayin niyo na lang ako. Joy?
You're my golden
Kuya Joy, may kita.
Rainbow sky.
Yun o.
Kamay? Huwag naman kamay.
Wait lang.
Kunin na lang po yung water, wala ka na water. Water doon sa
Diyan ako dyan.
Iba mo yung isang container ng water sa...
I'm not singing for God, no? But I'm singing for her. Okay. Sana yun. Iba kasi yung pagkano sa Panginoon, talagang worship yun, ha? Pero ito, iba naman.
Kaya mo yan.
Kahit ako, hindi ko alam yun eh.
Nakalimutan ko na nga talaga eh.
Sige lang.
Yun yung message niya kanina, finish.
Yan.
Finisher daw eh.
I don't believe in magic, but I believe in you. Hindi ko na maalala yung mga lyrics na tagal na eh. But there's so much miracles that I can do because of you. Yung summarization ng kantang yan is actually because this is your day, this is a birthday song. Yun lang. Hila ko na. Naalala ko lang yung kanta niya kasi every time na merong birthday, kinakanta ko yun noon. This actually title is birthday song ko. Don McLean, tagal ng kanta. But hindi, iba naman yun, no? Pero ito, actually that stand out because Elma has become really a blessing to me that yung smile niya ay talaga nakaka-create ng miracle.
Smile, Dobby. Smile, Dobby.
Yung kanyang, talagang may mga times na ayoko nang maniwala, no? May mga times na parang nauubusan na rin ako ng faith.
Okay?
Pero dahil sa kanya, kaya mo yan. Alam mo, kaya mo yan eh. And so because of that, I move on and so many things na nagagawa niya. And because of that, it created an impact and I can do more because yung kanyang life is really a blessing. Love you.
Yes. Kisagtang. Kakanta pa?
Ano ba yun?
Sige, sige.
Sige na lang.
Hindi ko maalala yung first ano. Yung unang word lang.
Alin?
Anyway, I just want to say that I love you.
Sabi, I just want to say it. Ay na ba yan? Chorus na lang, chorus na lang.
Ano na ba yung chorus? Pakalimutan ko.
I just want to say I love you.
Ganyan yan si Darren pag nakikita ko na parang kalamutan niya lang.
Alam mo kasi nung college days, kumakanta ako sa Pop House. At 30 pesos a night yung bayad sa akin ng sideline. Pero nakalimutan ko na halos yung mga ano na yun, dahil iba din kinakanta ko, but every time that I want to express something, there are good songs actually,
Ano ba umpisa na?
a secular song that expresses love to one another. No? So, it's good, no? Kasi tao naman tayo eh. No? And God inspires music through that in expressing love for one another. But if you want to express our love to God, then sing songs that can worship Him. Amen? Diba?
And Elma, what's her name?
Ha?
Yung dinuduet mo ni Mama.
Oh, yung, hindi ko na rin naalala.